Not do at the beach. Hey guys, it's us, Shandy and Lady T.
Hi.
Okay, we are at the beach right now and we want to talk about what you should not wear and, of course, protect your skin. Anything to add on that?
No, not for right now. I'm sure at the end of this discussion I'll have something to add.
Okay. First of all, women, if you have a lot of roles, don't do it, okay?
Yes, don't play yourself.
Second of all, if you need to protect your skin, make sure you wear sunblock over 45 because when you come back home and you got that burn and your skin is red.
Blind people, just because you're black and you dark, you still need sunblock. So don't play yourself with the skin cancer because we can get it too. So make sure you put on that sunblock, at least SPF 30.
And always wear your hater blockers to protect your eyes because cataracts is not a game.
Cataracts is not a game. Or glaucoma.
It's not a game.
Not a game.
Okay, so what can I say? Maybe I should show you a little bit of the water.
And now we're not in the South. This is what you get on the East.
This is what you get on the East Coast.
And the Upper East Side. So yeah.
We'll holler back at you guys later.
Our next round will be Miami.
Bye.